Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to log into your Underdog Fantasy account. Now if you want to log into your Underdog Fantasy account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the way end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to log into your Underdog Fantasy account, you need to make sure that you have installed the app on your device. So if you have not installed, you need to simply open App Store or Play Store on your device and install the app. So after that, make sure that you are also connected to your Wi-Fi, and after connecting to Wi-Fi and kind of data, you need to open Underdog Fantasy app on your device. So after that, this is the landing page where you will see the option like sign up or already have an account login, which is below sign up. So click on the option of already have an account login. So you need to enter the email address which you have created or used during the time of sign up. So enter the email address and enter the password. After doing that, you may click on the option of login to log into your Underdog account. But if you have forgotten the password, then you will see the option of forgot password. So you may also click on the option of reset to reset. So that's it. Currently I have not entered the password or email anything, so it says you have been blocked. So that's how you can log into your Underdog Fantasy account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.